Today's Bible verse comes from Matthew chapter 5, verse 10, King James Version. Blessed are they which are persecuted for righteousness' sake, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Matthew 5:10 states that Jesus promises that those who suffer mistreatment or rejection because they choose to live a godly, moral life will be rewarded with citizenship in God's eternal kingdom. Here are the key takeaways from this verse. Number 1, the why. The blessing does not apply to suffering caused by poor choices or bad behavior. It is specifically for those targeted for standing up for what is true and doing what is right. Number 2, the reality. Living a life of integrity, grace, and truth will inevitably clash with the values of fallen world. Number 3, the reward. The persecution is temporary, but the assurance of belonging to God's kingdom is an eternal guarantee. Amen.